In this guide, I will show you step by step how to check in Vietjet airline. So go to Google and search for Vietjet Air and then write this keyword. For example, this one, and click on the first result here. As you can see here, you will see official website. After that, go then to online check-in at this option. From the online check-in, all you have to do, just wait to see this page from here. To check in, you have two options here. You have a reservation code and you have a last family name. From the reservation code, write your reservation code here and then write your last family name. From the last family name, just click on the search. When you click the search, you will see your check-in and your state online. This is how you can do it. Is easy and simple way. If you have any problems, if you don't check in, just click on the support option and then you can check on through the support team and click just contact us and write your problems here. This is how you can do, friends. I have this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give me a like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.